What's up guys, Carly here, and I'm about to teach you how to do a side swing jump. Super fun jump rope trick to add into your cardio or your freestyle routines. Very easy to learn, so grab your rope, coffee if you need it, and let's do this. Hey guys, Carly here, and thanks for joining me on how to do a side swing jump. I'm gonna get started right away because I don't want to overcomplicate things. So first things first, you got to make sure that you have down the basic jump. If you do not have that down, click on the link right here and that'll send you to a 3-minute tutorial on how to do your basic jump. Okay, so assuming you have that down, grab your rope. We're going to start with the rope in front of us. Now the form for side swing is very easy. You're just going to want to have your wrists together, not touching, but together, and you're going to pick either your right or left side to start on. My right side is more dominant for me, so I like to start on that side, and you're just going to swing the rope at hip level, just the same level you would be if you were jumping rope, from side to side. And the rope is going to go in a figure 8 position. I like to sway my body a little bit to get the momentum of the rope going. And you're just going right, left, right, left. You can see that my wrists kind of overlap each other and cross, and that's fine. Some people have them out a little bit further. You do you. It takes a couple minutes for you to figure out what feels natural to you, and when you get that, stick with it. So you're just gonna go right, left, right, left. Then you can add in a little bit of jumping to kind of get down the rhythm and timing before we start actually jumping over the rope. Some people like to do twists. Some people like to do a boxer skip. Whatever it is, just have fun with it and just let it go. Okay, now, once you got this momentum going, we're gonna do side swing, jump. All right, we're gonna start with 2 side swings and a jump. It's a little bit easier than starting with singles. All right, so you're gonna do a side swing, and all you do is open up, okay? You just open the rope and jump. So if I'm swinging to the right, I just open it up and jump through it like this, all right? So you're just gonna take your left hand and bring it in at hip level, just like you would if you're jumping rope, okay? So if you do really slowly, open, jump, then you go back to swinging, jump. It really helps to do this movement a while just so you can get down the momentum of the rope, and then it makes it really easy to jump and get back into swing. So jump and swing. All right, so once you get that down, then you can start practicing doing a single side swing and jump. So you go to the right, open, left, open, right, open, left, open. Just like that. This is a little bit more difficult, but once you, again, put some practice in and get used to the timing and rhythm, it'll become natural to you. The left side for me is always a little bit harder than my right, and that's just how it goes. But anyway, that's all there is to it. So then you can start adding in some fun little twists and all of that good stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a really fun variation to add into your jump roping routine. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you subscribe below. I love doing these videos for you, and I hope to see you again. Thanks, bye.